Hi my dear students, today we are going to talk about the assessment on unit 4 from EKP okay. Here, which choice shows the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Which choice shows the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? We know that we have three formulas to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. First one, length plus width plus length plus width. Second one, length times 2 plus width times 2, or 2 times length plus width, or 2 time length plus 2 times width, or length plus width times 2. Which one of these? Yes, letter C. Right. 2 times length plus 2 times width. Fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice from each group. Here we have the choices and we need to fill the blank. Adam has a rectangular computer keyboard that is 40 centimeter long, length is 40 centimeter, and its width is 15 centimeter. How can Adam calculate the perimeter of the keyboard? Okay, Adam can use one of these. Which one is right? You will make 2 times 40 plus 15, okay, to calculate the perimeter, or 40 times 15, or 2 times 40 plus 2 times 15. Yes, this is right. 2 times 40 plus 2 times 15. So 2 times 40 will be 80, and 2 times 15 is 30. So 80 plus 30 equal 110. So the right answer is 110 centimeters. Lamia wants to find the perimeter of this rectangle. How can she calculate this? Lamia has rectangle with 12 meter length and 4 meter wide. She can add 12 plus 4 plus 12 plus 4 to find the perimeter is 32, or she can add 12 plus 4 then to find the perimeter 16, or she can multiply 12 times 4 times 12 times 4, or she can multiply. We know that the right rule is, yes, 12 plus 4 plus 12 plus 4 اللي هي equal 32 meter. Which choice showed the formula for the area of rectangle? We know that the area of rectangle, length times width. Which one? Yes, letter B. A city is in the shape of a rectangle. It is 4 kilometer wide and 8 kilometer long. What is the area of the city? Okay, the area of city, we know that we are going to multiply length times width اللي هي 8 times 4 or 4 times 8. 8 times 4 equals 32 square meter or square kilometer. We know that area, the unit of area, square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer. Okay, fill in the blank below. Okay, Gamal wants to calculate the area of hallway floor. First, he should measure the, yes, we must find the measure of length and width. Okay, then he should, to calculate the area, yes, multiply those measurement. Multiply those measurement. Okay. A rectangular mirror is 900 square centimeter. Okay. The area, the mirror is 45 centimeter long. What is the width? 900 square meter means, or square centimeter means, this is the area. The area here is 900. So when we want to calculate the width from the area, we are going to divide area divided length. So width equal area divided length. 12b 900 divided 45 equal 20 centimeter. Samir's textbook is 30 centimeters long. The cover of Samir book has a perimeter of 100 centimeter. How wide is Samir book? Okay, here textbook has 30 centimeter long. الcover البريمتر equal 100 centimeter. How can we find the wide? Okay, let's calculate the wide. الwide equal width equal perimeter divided 2 minus length. Perimeter divided 2 minus length. So the perimeter is 100 divided 2 minus length equal 30. 12b 100 divided 2 equal 50. 50 minus 30 equal 20 centimeter. Okay, this is the complex shape or odd shapes. Okay, fill in the blank below. A company pushes together 3 tables for team meeting. Okay, what is the area of the figure made by the table? Explain how can you find it. Okay, here we have this is table 1 and this is table 2 and this is table 3. Okay, the wide equal 1 meter and the length equal 2 meter. Okay, here we have also 2 meter, and here we have 1, and here we have 1, and here we have 2, and here we have 1. Okay, so the length here is, yes, 4, because we have here 1 and here 1, because the opposite side is 1. يبقى اللي تحتيه كام؟ 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 يبقى 4. يبقى the whole side is 4. And here we have 2, and here we have 1, and here we have 1, and here we have 3, and here we have 3, and here we have 1. So there are the area can be found by A. first table we can multiply, yes, 1 times 2. يبقى first table multiply 1 by 2. Second table multiply, yes, we said that we have here 4 centimeter. 12b 1 by 4. Third table, yes, we have 1 by 3. Multiply 1 by 3 to find. Then هعمل ايه بعد كده؟ add the product. Then add the product. The product is the answer of multiplication from this and this and this. Okay, so here it will be 2, and here 4, and here 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3, it will be, yes, 9 meter square. 9 meter square. Okay, Reda wants to take a walk around the park that connect two rectangular soccer field. Okay, how could he calculate the distance he will walk around the park? Okay, I told you before, when he talk about the moving around any shape, it means we must calculate the perimeter. So we are going to add the side. We are going to add the side. We are not going to multiply. Letter A is wrong, letter B is wrong. So let's see letter C. Add together the dimensions of field A, which are, نشوف الفيلد A عندي 3 and 6 and where the other 3? We don't have other 3. Okay, and the dimensions of field B, no. Letter D is the right. Why? عشان we will add, yes, 10 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8. This is how to move around, and the answer will be 36 meters. Mustafa owns a rectangular shaped shop that is 20 meter long and 5 meter wide. His brother also owns rectangular shaped shop that 20 meter long. Okay, but its wide is twice the wide of Mustafa's shop. يعني مصطفى عنده shop rectangle in form of rectangle. Its length is 20 and its width is 5. His brother has another shop with the same length, 20, and width equal twice the width of Mustafa. So let's see, length width of shop of his brother equal width twice the width of Mustafa. So it will be 2 times, yes, 2 times 5 equal 10 meter. Let's calculate the area of brother shop. Length times width, length 20 times the width equal 10, so it will be 200 meter square. Fatma's rectangular garden has a length that is 3 times the width. If W represents the width, which equation could represent the perimeter of Fatma's garden? Select 2 correct answers. Fatma has a rectangular garden with length equal 3 times the width. يبقى length equal 3 times W. So perimeter equal, we know that the perimeter equal length times 2 plus width times 2, right? So it will be length here equal 3 times, we will replace word letter L, length, with 3 times W, so it will be 3 times W times 2 plus W times 2, or width times 2. So it will be, which one? Yes, first one. And we have also yes, 2 times width plus 3 times W times 2. Part 2. The length of a rectangle is D and the width is G. Which formula is represent the perimeter? يبقى 2 times D plus 2 times G. We know that we have area of we have perimeter of rectangle, 2 times length plus 2 times length plus width 2 times width. So here length equal D and width equal G, so it will be 2 times D plus 2 times G. تمام. Fill in the blank. Okay. A rectangle is 10 centimeter wide and 20 centimeter long. So the length, so we are going to calculate the perimeter. It means we are going to multiply 2 times 10 plus 2 times 20. The answer will be 60. Azza needs to build a shelf that will hold 2 rectangular boxes. The shelf should have the same dimensions as 2 rectangular boxes when they are sitting directly when they are sitting directly next to each another. What is the calculation for the perimeter of the shelf? Okay, we know that the perimeter equals the sum of all sides. Let's calculate the sum. It will be 45 plus 45 plus 30 plus 45 plus 45 plus 30. 45 repeated 4 times and 30 repeated 2 times, so it will be letter B. The length of a rectangle is B and width is C. What is the calculation of area? Okay, length B and width C, so it will be B times C, letter B. Rectangular garden is 5 meter wide and 7 meter long. What is the area? The area means length times width. It will be 7 times 5 equals 35 square meter. Iman needs to calculate the area of her room in order to buy a new flooring. The room has the shape of rectangle with a length 10 meter and width of 5 meter. How should Iman calculate the area of room? The area equal length times width. It will be or multiply 10 times 5. We know that the area is multiplying of any 2 dimensions. So here we have multiply 10 times 5. A patio is in the shape of rectangle. It has and area 30 square meter. This is the area, 30 is the area, and the length is 6. So the width equal, yes, الويدth equal area divided length، يبقى equal 30 divided 6 equal 5 centimeter. Farid's rectangular room is 8 meter long and has a perimeter of 24 meter. يبقى ال perimeter equal 24 and the length is 8. What is the width? The width equal perimeter divided 2 minus the length. Perimeter divided 2 minus the length يبقى 24 divided 2 minus length equal 8. يبقى it will be 12 minus 8 equal 4 meter. Fill in the blank below. Here we have two squares and we need to find the area of this figure. Okay, the area can be founded by number 1 multiplying 4 by 4, and second square or the small square we are going to multiplying 1 by 1 and adding the products. Why adding the products? Because the products is mean the answer of multiplication. It will be, yes, 17, because here we get 16 and here we will get 1, so it will be 16 plus 1 equals 17. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. What is the perimeter of the figure? Explain how you can find this. You need to find the perimeter. Okay, here we have 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, here 4, 3, 1, 1. The perimeter founded by adding, yes, 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. How many ones here? Okay, let's count how many ones to make it right. Okay, 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We have here 4 ones or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. We have 5 ones. Which one is right? Yes, this one is right. The second one. So it will be 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer will be 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 12. Habiba has a rectangular garden that is 5 meter wide and 4 times as long. Okay. What is the area of Habiba's garden? Okay, let's see. الويدth equal 5، يبقى length equal 4 times width، يبقى 4 times 5 equal 20، يبقى the area equal length times width equal 5 times 20 equal 100 square meter. Which rectangle has a perimeter of 12 meter? Select two correct answers. Okay, let's check. Here we have 2 meter wide and 2 times as long. Okay, 2 meter wide يعني الويدth 2 2 times width والlength هيبقى 2 times 2 يبقى 4. يبقى we have length equal 2 times 2 equal 4. So perimeter equal 2 plus 4 times 2, it will be 12. Okay, rectangle 2 1 meter wide and 5 times as long. يبقى الwide is 1 تمام، والlength equal 1 times 5 أو 5 times 1 it will be 5. So the perimeter 1 plus 5 times 2 it will be 6 times 2 equal 12. This is the right answers or the right two answers in the. Thank you.